The Blackview BV9600 Pro runs on Android OS v8.1 Oreo out of the box. It comes with a LiPo 5580 mAh non-removable battery. It features a 6.21 inches AMOLED display with 1080 x 2248 px resolution. The AMOLED technology is widely used for smartphones because of their gorgeous color reproduction abilities and very deep blacks. The camera of the Blackview BV9600 Pro is equipped with autofocus. Autofocus is a camera feature that fine-tunes the focus of the camera. It is a nice feature of this smartphone.